Hello you guys, we're here at IKEA looking for some salon furniture and possibly some office space furniture, and I want you guys to tell me what you think. So yeah, this is our journey. Hi you guys, I found something I like. This purple and I guess pea green color scheme. I really like this, so this is giving me a few ideas and hopefully I can come up with something and we can make it happen. Hi guys, I see purple curtains. So tell me what you all think. I like it. Hey you guys, I'm here looking at a few mirrors. Give me some ideas of what you think and where you think I should put them at. But here's a view of the mirrors. Hi you guys, I found a sewing table and a sewing machine. That's also another one of my passions. And I possibly could be sewing and stitching up my own hair pretty soon. So this is a great idea. I'm glad I came to this area.
ToriStyles. Okay guys, I'm here in IKEA with my wife, ToriStyles.
Hi.
She has me looking at salon equipment, some mirrors. So one thing that I want to let you all know, anything that your wife doing, you should support. If she have a vision and you can help make it come to pass, then that's your job, to help make the vision come to pass. So I'm gonna be here and we're gonna look for some salon equipment, some home decor, and I'm gonna get an office out of this as well.
Hi you guys, I didn't find anything at IKEA. Sorry. I saw some great ideas though, so we're gonna continue this journey and we'll take you guys along.
Alright guys, so this includes our trip to IKEA. Unfortunately, the wife didn't find anything that popped out to her, so we're leaving today without getting anything from IKEA. But we still got a couple other places to go, so we can see what we like.
Thank you guys.